Welcome to the life insurance presentation for employees of Peoria Public School District 150. When things are going well, it's pretty natural not to think about worst-case scenarios. But everything you work hard to provide yourself and your loved ones with, your lifestyle, your income, and your home, isn't guaranteed. Life circumstances can change quickly. If you should die unexpectedly, how secure would your family's finances be? Without your paycheck, your family may have to rely on savings to pay monthly bills, rent or mortgage, or groceries. The list goes on, but the savings might not. Take a minute to reflect on the current comforts and the future goals of your family. Would the standard of living continue without your income? Could they afford all of the amenities listed here? Monthly bills and credit card debts, home mortgage, child care or elder care, college education, funeral costs, and estate tax. And do your loved ones have the financial means to cover the expenses associated with your death? That's important because someone has to pay those bills. If you don't provide for those expenses, your family may have to. Life insurance from the Hartford provides the benefits you need to help make sure your family can continue to lead the lifestyle that you've provided for them. Help keep your promises to them for an education, a good retirement, other goals. And it helps takes care of your debt, so that the next of kin won't be held responsible for them. Our life insurance plan also provides valuable resources for your loved ones in coping with grief, loss, and financial concerns. Face-to-face access to an attorney or professional therapeutic counselor. And payment of benefits can be made in two ways: a one-time lump sum check of the entire benefit amount, or a safe haven account, a secure way to keep funds in an account until your family needs them for bills, tuition, or whatever. You're probably surprised at how affordable and important benefit like this is. It's affordable thanks to the foresight and generosity of your employer. You could take advantage of economical group rates, and it's convenient. You won't have to worry about monthly bills as premiums are deducted directly from your paycheck. So let's run through what the plan will cover. To be eligible, you must be an active full-time employee working at least 32 hours per week. The coverage effective date is January the 1st, 2016, and that's the date that your coverage begins. The enrollment period is the time you have to sign up for your plan, and for your plan, that's November the 10th through November the 18th, and to sign up for your coverage or request changes. If you're currently enrolled and do not need to make any changes, your coverage will continue and no action is required. So let's talk about basic life. Basic life is the amount of life insurance your company provides you as part of your benefits package, and this is at no cost to you. That amount is $25,000 for non-certified employees and $50,000 for teachers and administrative employees. So I mentioned your employer provides basic life, but if you feel that that isn't enough to take care of your family, you can purchase supplemental life insurance. The plan design allows you to add $15,000, $25,000, $50,000, $75,000, $100,000, $150,000, or $200,000 of coverage. If you previously declined coverage and are electing coverage as a late enrollee, you will need to complete a personal health statement and be approved by the Hartford before coverage is effective. You also have the option to purchase coverage for your spouse and dependent children, but only when you elect coverage for yourself. Spouse coverage is 50% of the employee's supplemental life amount, and child coverage is from 6 months to age 26. They are also eligible, and the child benefit amount is $10,000. The Hartford's plan offers more advantages that can make it a flexible benefit. Portability. The portability option lets you keep your life insurance if you decide to leave your employer. Conversion. This allows you to convert your coverage to an individual plan if you leave your employer. There would be a cost change at the time of conversion, but you would not be required to undergo medical underwriting to keep your existing coverage. Premium waiver. This applies if you become totally disabled before age 60 and your disability lasts for at least 9 months. It assures that your coverage and your dependents' coverage will continue without payment of premiums up to your normal retirement age, as long as you remain totally disabled. And living benefit option. If you are diagnosed with a terminal illness with a 24-month life expectancy, This lets you receive an accelerated benefit of up to 80% of your life insurance benefit. This concludes the presentation for your life insurance for the employees of Peoria Public School District